Hi, and welcome to the Novel Suite video tutorial series, created to help you get the most out of Novel Suite. In this video, we look at saving a new chapter or scene in the novel board. Let's get started.
To add a new chapter or scene, you have two choices. If you're working in the word processor, see the tutorial Saving a New Chapter or Scene in the Word Processor. You can also add chapters and scenes from the novel board. Select Add Chapter from the novel board. Write your scene or chapter. Title the chapter or scene and select the respective book or chapter where you'd like it to appear. Click Save Changes. This chapter or scene is now visible at the end of the novel board sequence. From here, you can drag it to wherever you'd like it to appear.
Thank you so much for watching, and check out our other tutorials if you want to learn even more about how to use Novel Suite.